Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are starting chapter number 10, Pythagoras Theorem. I will try to make math easy and easy for you. For this purpose, keep in mind one thing, that practice makes the math perfect. If you keep on practicing math, it will be becoming easier and easier for you. So for chapter 10, we will be starting exercise 10a. For this exercise, first we will give you some basic tips. If you can memorize these basic tips, then this exercise will be very easy for you. The very first point is that this exercise is related to triangles. Number 2, this is only for right angle triangles. It means there must be at least one angle of 90 degree. If there is no angle of 90 degree in a triangle, then we cannot apply this theorem. So these are 3 points. And number 4 is that you only need to know the hypotenuse side. You need to identify hypotenuse in the triangles. So we will tell you how to identify hypotenuse. If this is a triangle, this symbol is for 90 degree right angle. Wherever you find this mark, okay, it shows that it is for 90 degree. So this is a 90 degree angle. So hypotenuse will always be the side opposite to right angle. So this side, let's suppose this A, B, C. Side AB is hypotenuse. So only activity involved in questions related to 10a is that you need to identify hypotenuse and then you need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? I will tell you what is the Pythagoras theorem. See, this is a triangle, this is 90 degree. As we told you that the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So the Pythagoras theorem, the formula is square of hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of other two sides. It means square of this side plus the square of this side. This is the Pythagoras theorem which we will be applying even in the whole chapter. So we will be starting from the question number 1 of 10a and part A. I will be reading the statement for you. Find the value of the unknown in each of the following right angle triangles. So we need to find out the unknown. We can have triangle like this from the book which is already given. This side is 20 centimeter, this side is 21 centimeter, and this side is a centimeter. This is known, and this one is unknown. It is given like this. So we told you that wherever you find this mark, okay, so this shows that this is a right angle, this is a 90 degree angle. And we also have told you that the side opposite to a right angle is always hypotenuse. So this one which is unknown, this is hypotenuse. So now we have two sides known, one is unknown, we have 90-degree angle, okay, and we also know this is hypotenuse. So we will be simply applying Pythagoras theorem to find unknown side. So it is like this: hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides, 20 square plus 21 square. So we will take the square, and also we will take the square of this 21. We can do simply like this: this is 441. Once we add, it becomes, and here it is, hypotenuse is, and unknown is a, so this is a square. But you know that we need to find out only a, so we will be taking square root of both the sides. Here this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and we will be calculating the under root of 841 using a calculator, so we will get the answer. So this is very simple question. Now we will be moving to question number 1 and part D. So question number 1, part D. Here we find a triangle like this. It is given that this is, so it means this is 90 degree, this is right angle, this is D centimeter, this is 23 centimeter, this is 29 centimeter. So here we know that this question is for a triangle which is a right angle triangle. We know two sides and we have to find the third side. So the very first thing is that we need to identify where is the hypotenuse. So we know that the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So we will be applying the formula, the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to square of this side plus square of this side. So we will be taking the square of this. You can use the calculator. Here we can also roughly do by doing the multiplication. It becomes 5 to 9. And similarly, we can take the square of 29. It becomes 841. When we add up both the values, we get 1370. So this is hypotenuse square, which is D. So we can say this is D square is equal to 1370. So we need to find only D. So we will take square root of both the sides. It will be cancelled out with this, and D is equal to square root of this. So by using calculator you can get the value and it will be the answer, and it will be in centimeters.